In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Amazon Prime account in just a few minutes. This process is straightforward and only requires a couple of easy steps. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy free shipping, streaming services, and various other benefits that come with an Amazon Prime membership. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Amazon's website. It's accessible through most web browsers, so simply type amazon.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you land on the Amazon homepage, you'll be greeted with their familiar slogan, "Spend less, smile more." This is where all the magic begins. Next, you need to click on the Sign In button. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking here will direct you to a page where you can either log into your existing account or create a new one. If you already have an Amazon account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. Otherwise, take a moment to set up a new account by following the prompts to enter your email, create a password, and add some basic information. Once you're signed in, you'll be back on the Amazon homepage. Now hover over the Account and List section on the top right. A drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to all of your account settings and preferences. From here, you're going to click on Prime. It's usually towards the top of the menu and takes you to a new section dedicated to Amazon Prime services and offers. In this section, you'll see an option to start your free trial. Click on it. Amazon generally offers a 30-day free trial to give you a taste of all the benefits without any upfront cost. You'll need to provide your payment details, but remember, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. So, if you decide Prime isn't for you, be sure to cancel before the trial expires to avoid any charges. And just like that, you're all set up. You've now got access to everything Amazon Prime has to offer. You can enjoy streaming movies and series on Prime Video, get your purchases faster with free 2-day shipping, plus access exclusive deals and more. Keep in mind that you can manage your Prime membership through your account settings if you need to make any adjustments or decide to cancel later on. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. With these steps, you are now ready to start exploring the full benefits of being an Amazon Prime member. Enjoy your newfound access and happy shopping.